This is going to be a review of the Surfola dash camera. This is the 4K Full HD SD810 edition. So it comes in a pretty nice box. Open it up, this looks like the manual, how to set it up. More instructions on where to place it. There's two separate pieces here. There's one on the right. This one looks like this would be the rear that you can put in the back. It has a 170-degree field of view. And this one here, this is the bigger one that has the 4K touchscreen, and you put this one in the front. It's not too big, so it doesn't look like it's gonna get in the way of the windshield. Below this, it has all the wiring and stuff that you need to plug into your car to get electricity to it. There's two ports on the top right here that you either connect through a cigarette lighter, or you could wire it yourself via USB, which it comes with as well. So this was a quick unboxing, and here's going to be a review in action. So this is a review of the mobile app that comes with it. It's an app called Lucky Cam, and it has a lot of good features on it. It's very, very easy to use. It has a stop and start button, just like a normal camera. You can switch the modes. So this is, just switch it to a reverse camera, which you just saw before was the front-facing camera. If you tap it again, it has a split screen type thing with the reverse camera in the top left, just a little bit smaller. And then if you click it again, it'll switch it so that the main view is in the top left and the reverse camera is the main frame of the app. So just going over the app, you can click the folder button and it goes over every single one of the videos taken, both in the front and back camera. So that's pretty easy to get to. You can just click on them and have them on your phone. And also here's the settings. It tells you like how to connect, like what's the password for Bluetooth, the photo resolution, everything like that, and how much space is left on your camera. Here's footage taken off the SD card. This is the front facing camera. It's pretty clear, not shaky at all. And then this is the back. As it says, it's a pretty dirty windshield, but it's also heavily tinted, so it's kind of darker. But here's the front one again, great color, great quality, and it's a very, very wide field of view, which is very nice.